This is how I open Google Chrome on FRP Lock Samsung A36 5G. Note: this is not an FRP bypass tutorial. This method is not an FRP bypass. It only provides limited access to Google Chrome and selected system applications. Installing applications is prohibited and access to the Settings app and Samsung Galaxy Store remains restricted by the operating system. With that out of the way, let's get started. Tap Accessibility. Tap Talkback. Tap Settings. Tap Braille Display. You may choose either allow or don't allow when Talkback requests permission. Either option will work. Tap to use Braille Display. First, turn on Talkback. Tap on Recommended for you. If Go to Modes and Routines does not appear, go back and tap Recommended for you again. If the option is still unavailable, tap Advanced Settings before selecting Recommended for you. Now tap Go to Modes and Routines. Tap Work. Tap Start, then Skip. Skip again. Tap Open an app or do an app action. Scroll down and select Google Chrome. Then enable it. Google Chrome will open automatically. Tap Use without an account. Signing in is not supported in this environment. We are not connected to a Wi-Fi network yet. Let's connect first. Before proceeding, I recommend enabling Turn On automatically. Add condition. You can select Wi-Fi network, but I'd recommend using Wi-Fi. When the Wi-Fi is on, Google Chrome will open automatically. Now let's connect to a Wi-Fi network. Google Chrome will open automatically when we enable the Wi-Fi network. Now let's connect to Wi-Fi network. We are now connected to the Wi-Fi network. Let's go back and turn off Wi-Fi, then turn it on. It should open Google Chrome automatically. At this point, the procedure is complete. I'll briefly visit my YouTube channel as a demonstration. You may use other applications that are accessible within the operating system's restriction. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.